In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade XRP on Thinkorswim. By the end, you'll know exactly how to locate the XRP futures contract, set up your order the right way, and send it with confidence. First, make sure your account has futures trading approval. This is required because futures are leveraged products and come with unique risks and margin requirements. In your Schwab or Thinkorswim account settings, you can apply for this permission. Approval isn't instant, so give it time, and don't proceed until you see that futures data and trading are enabled on your platform. Next, open the Thinkorswim desktop app and go to the Trade tab along the top. The Trade tab is your hub for finding symbols, viewing quotes, and placing orders. Everything we need to place an XRP futures order will be accessible from here. From the drop-down or sub-tabs within Trade, select Futures Trader. This loads a specialized layout optimized for futures, including the active trader ladder, depth of market, and a streamlined order ticket. It's designed to make entering and managing futures orders fast and visual. In the symbol box, type XRP for the standard contract or MXP if you prefer the micro version. Micro contracts are smaller in size, which can be helpful if you want finer control over position size and risk. Make sure you're on the correct front month contract. The platform will show the current tradable month, so you're placing orders in the active market. You can place your trade using the active trader ladder or the order ticket. The ladder shows price levels in real time, and you can click directly at a price to stage a buy or sell. It's fast and great for entries at specific levels. If you prefer more structured inputs, use the order ticket, where you can type in price, quantity, and other details manually. Choose your quantity, which is the number of contracts you want to trade. Remember that each contract controls a standardized amount, so even a single contract can represent meaningful exposure. Select your order type. Market orders aim for immediate execution at the best available price, while limit orders let you define the maximum price you'll pay or the minimum you'll accept. Then set your duration, typically day for orders that expire at the end of the session, or GTC to keep working until it fills or you cancel it. Finally, click Confirm and Send. Review the confirmation carefully. Symbol, contract month, side, price, quantity, and estimated costs, then send the order. That's it. You've just walked through trading XRP futures on Thinkorswim with clarity and control.